Let me guide you on adding music to InShot on your phone. It's simple and quick, as you can see here, so let's dive right in. It's done easily and quickly. What do we do next? Let's find out, step by step, as you can see. First, we search for your audio track. There are many options available, as you can see here, carefully. There are many features, but we focus on audio. After that, you can add a voiceover to the text. As you can see here, select the text and choose a voice. After that, you can record your own voiceover, as you can see here, and add effects like fire sounds. You can add an effect, like fire sounds, or something else, as you can see here, and personalize it to your liking. Of course, you can add music. Choose according to your taste and see how it fits, as you can see here, carefully. Choose music that matches your video style. You can select as you like. Now let's move to the next step. You can add your own music or choose from the music InShot offers, as you can see here, carefully and easily. That's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck to everyone, and goodbye. See you next time, as you can see here, carefully.